for becoming a part of this family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for pushing that subscribe button, that like button, turn that notification bell on. I appreciate you for watching each one of my videos from the beginning to the end and commenting. I thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Woo! From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. And those people that are here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button, that like button, and also you turn that notification bell on and become a part of this family. Woo! Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to do 2 flower arrangements, okay? And the supplies you would need are, you would need 10 vases, you need 8 in this type, I call this the fishbowl vase. So you need 8 of those, and you need 2 tall vases, okay? You also need about 5 bunches of white flowers. You can do it in white or you can do it in cream, okay? You can also need about 3 bunches of pink flowers. You need 1 small foam ball, a round one, and a half one. Now they do sell them in a half, but you can also buy 2 round ones and cut it in half, okay? You would also need 2 LED lights. You can get it in the flower or the plain, or you can use an LED light, okay? Also, you need some beads, 2 tiaras. Now I've seen all kinds of tiaras, so they you can get them from Hobby Lobby or you can get it at Michael's, okay? Also, you need some letters. I purchased these letters from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99. It was 50% off. And some rhinestones. Okay, you ready? Okay, this is going to be the bottom of my vases, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my rhinestones to my vase, okay? Okay, now I'm going to take 4 of my vases and I'm going to take my letters and I'm going to spell out baby and then girl on the other 4, okay? And then I just stick them right onto the vases. Okay, now we're getting ready to put our centerpiece together. First, I'm going to put my flowers onto my half a foam ball. You can just stick it in there, okay, just like that. Or you can take some glue, put it on the bottom, stick it in there like that. Okay, I need 2 more flowers. Okay, I'm back. I got 2 more flowers. Okay, now I'm gonna put it right on top of the glass that has the bee on it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it together. Okay, now I'm going to add my beads around the middle so it can hide the glue, okay? Okay, that's centerpiece number one. Okay, now it's time for me to put my second vase together, okay? I'm gonna spell out I'm gonna spell out girl onto the vase, okay? Okay, I'm finished with both faces, okay? You have the half ball and you have the full ball. You can do it either way, okay? And you know what I'm gonna also do? I'm gonna add some little beads to this one. Now, or should I do this? No, let's do this one. I'm gonna add some beads to this one, okay? And I purchased these from Hobby Lobby during Christmas time. Okay, I'm finished. I hope you guys like both flower arrangements, okay? it is suitable for a beautiful baby shower. Okay, and when you turn your tea lights on, it should light up your vases. Okay, thank you for watching.
What we do here is go back.